People use products in 1 week and are like, oh, this product is not working for me, please recommend something else. And if you keep jumping from one product to the other product, it's never going to work for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button below and giving this video a thumbs up. But if you're an OG subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys through my acne and hyperpigmentation routine. I got a lot of DMs, requests, questions to film a skincare routine because I always talk about having acne and hyperpigmentation and going from it being so bad to it being manageable now. So one thing I would say is people don't give products time to work. Normally you're supposed to give a product between 4 to 6 weeks or even 8 weeks to start seeing like significant changes. People use products in 1 week and are like, oh, this product is not working for me, please recommend something else. And if you keep jumping from one product to the other product, it's never going to work for you. So one thing about having a good skincare routine is being patient. You have to be patient to see these products work. You have to be patient to actually see the results that you want. And with somebody with acne prone skin, there are a lot of factors. It could be hormonal, it could be like you have like a lot of bacteria on your face, things coming into contact with your face, or it could just be genetics. Maybe it's something like your family has, or it could even be your diet. So many factors go into how you treat your particular acne prone skin situation. With me, I think most of mine is genetic because I've seen my other sisters. We both have acne scars and acne spots on the same areas like our T-zones, forehead, cheeks, and nose. Both my two sisters have it, so I feel like it's mostly genetic. Like during my periods, I have like acne flare-ups and all of that. But over the years, I have found a few products that work for me, and they have taken my skin from looking so bad to looking this good. So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you guys all the products I currently using, and the ones I have used before.
Currently, this is what my skin is looking like. Most of my acne is actually gone, but it left a lot of dark spots and hyperpigmentation on my face, and I've been treating this for the past like 1 to 2 months. So this is the cleanser I use, Fenty cleanser, and I also use Cerave foaming cleanser. Two of them work very well. I finished my Fenty cleanser some months back and started using Cerave. I love Cerave foaming cleanser because it just does it for me. This is a makeup sponge I use to like wipe off dirt from my face, especially if you're on lashes, girls. Get a makeup sponge or just a clean sponge generally, so you can wash off your face without pulling your lashes. So like I said earlier, the first step is to cleanse your face. I love this Cerave foaming cleanser because it is enriched and packed with great ingredients. It has 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid, and this helps to keep your face looking plump and clear dirt and dark spots on your face. So I'm just gonna wash this. Like I like to get it into every single area of my face and my neck. Like I don't even leave any place untouched, even my ears up to my forehead, so that all the dirt from a long day or even the night before is washed off. So I wash my face after and clean up the excess water with my sponge. So the next step for me is to apply my Cerave acne foaming cream wash. So this is actually an acne treatment which contains 10% benzoyl peroxide, which is the maximum power for Cerave. They also have one in 4%, and there are other products like Panoxyl that contain benzoyl peroxide. I have also tried this altruist cleansing foam which has 2% salicylic acid, and to be honest, it really didn't do much for me. It's an exfoliating cleanser, and knowing that my acne is actually very stubborn and I've actually used salicylic acid in the past, I decided to try this year and it was still the same result. Benzoyl peroxide is a great active ingredient for acne prone skin. It helps to clear already existing acne and pimples and blackheads on your face and on your body and prevent the growth of new ones, which even allows your skin to heal properly and you are at less risk of having dark spots or post-acne scars from the acne. Because this is more of a treatment than a cleanser, I usually allow it to sit on my skin for 5 minutes. If you have sensitive skin or your skin gets easily irritated, I would advise that you start from smaller concentrations, like maybe 2%, and then move to 4. I'm using 10 because other concentrations don't work for my skin. Like my skin is tough, my acne is very stubborn, like I said, and I'm just gonna let this sit and wash it off. Next is my toner. I recently started using this toner from Anua. It's a soothing toner, and this basically helps to tone your skin and soothe your skin if it's irritated. I don't think it does much for acne or hyperpigmentation, but it's like a necessary step in my own skincare routine. I got these cotton pads from Mmeje, and all you have to do is just dab onto your skin with the cotton pads. I sometimes apply with my hands. Honestly, whichever one works for you, as long as you're getting the product into your skin. And the next important step is to actually allow this product to sit on your skin. Like you need to let it dry out for like 1 to 2 minutes. I usually use a hand fan, or I face my standing fan directly, so my skin absorbs the product. For the next step, I use this advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence, and this helps to keep my face moisturized and stop my face from losing moisture. It's from Cosrx. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, and it has a very like slimy elastic texture, but honestly this just does it for me. I do not use a moisturizer, to be very honest, because this is already very hydrating. Emphasis on hydrating. Sometimes I even start to sweat because of how hydrating it is, and I easily sweat, so anything that like makes my skin more moisturized honestly makes me sweat. But this is a necessary step in my skincare routine, so I don't skip it. Again, let your products get absorbed into your skin, so you do not reduce the effectiveness or mix it with other products. I usually use my essence before my serums because I actually read up that it helps with absorption. This is the Azelaic acid. It's a redness soothing serum, and if you know Azelaic acid, you know that Azelaic acid is great for hyperpigmentation, for brightening up your skin, and basically just making your skin soft and supple. So previously I've been using Azelaic acid, and I'm using it in 10%. This is a very high concentration, so if your face is sensitive, please start from smaller concentrations, like I said earlier, 2%, 4%, 5%, before you move on to 10%. So I previously used the Revox Azelaic acid, and to be honest, this Revox did more for me than this Azelaic acid, but I don't want to conclude yet because I used the Revox more, like I used it for a longer period of time, and for the Azelaic acid I've only just been using it for 3 weeks or thereabouts, so I'm just still watching it with one eye to see if it actually does what it's supposed to do. But before now, that was what I was using, and honestly it did such a great job with clearing my dark spots and my hyperpigmentation and post-acne scars. Next up is your sunscreen. This is the Aqua Missha gel sunscreen in SPF 50 plus. You can also use 100, but I like to use 50, especially when I'm at home. And I use the 3-finger rule, which means that you have to apply sunscreen on 3 of your fingers, enough to go around your face and your neck. If you're trying to fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation and you're not using sunscreen, you're actually just wasting your time, because when you use some of these serums and hyperpigmentation medication, you're not even supposed to be under the sun, because it would actually work against your product. It would darken your face. That is why it is advised that you use a sunscreen every day when you're leaving the house. And if you're at home and your home is a kind of house that allows a lot of sun in, definitely you're going to get sun rays on your skin, so you still have to use sunscreen. Lastly, I use the Vaseline Rosy Tinted Lip Balm. This is not part of my hyperpigmentation routine, but I noticed it just helps give my lips that extra pink look and feel. It makes it just softer and moisturized all day long. So yeah, that's the end of my skincare routine. I hope you loved this video. If you loved this video, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, observations, please let me know in the comment section. And if you love to see more videos like this, let me know also. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.